Yeah, good job.
Told you I could do it.
Yeah. Ani nation nag on bamanagwak kama. How's it look from up there?
It's pretty darn scary since I'm afraid of heights. That's why I did this, to overcome it.
Awesome.
Stop the video there. I don't want to see everyone if I fail.
Say good day,
I don't want anyone to
I
see
mean,
fail if I fail.
Kawin say good day, Kisun good day, Kisun good day, got a strong heart.
I think I just got an idea.
And is squad doing it now?
I'm trying to focus. I'm holding onto these sticks, which are actually stuck in the ground for very, very good. I have an idea. Use that stick to pull myself over to here. Then I'll use the other sticks to pull myself, and then I'll be up there. But then how am I gonna get down? Oh yeah, go down here where the hill is. You know? You know what I mean though?
Yeah.
So that means I'm gonna have to go back down a little ways. I can do that. I'll just slide down. No way I'm not sliding down. I'm gonna hurt my butt. Only a dumb person would slide down. For real. They'd hit the... Never mind. I thought I heard an animal or something behind me. Never mind. Those are just... Is there an animal on me? Oh, that was just falling rocks. Good thing they're not boulder size. Holy crap. Right, Dad? You know what would be helpful right now? Mountain climber equipment. Hey, you know what I could have done? I could have had cleats on that and had two sharp spikes. Been like a real life freaking Spider-Man. I'll use that cliff right there to my advantage. There's a lot of tumbleweeds up here though, Dad. You're probably wondering how I'm getting up such a ways. I'm using plants to my advantage. You know? I'm holding on to plants which are actually stronger than you think. You know? Holy crap, Dad. I'm almost there. How am I gonna make it up here? Pause the video, please, while I make a plan.